Good morning, fourth class children. In the previous class, we have completed workbook page number 20. Now, some more additions are there, 4-digit numbers, and page number 21 have subtractions, children. Now, let us continue this. Look here, 4-digit additions. 2158 plus 1016. Additions and subtractions and start from ones place, our right hand side. So ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousands. Add like this. First add ones place digits. 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0 how much? 8. 5 plus 6. Take 6 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 plus 6, 11. One is carry forward, one is in answer place. Again 1 plus 0. How much? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3258. Next, 4917 plus 6845. Now add 7 plus 5. Take 5 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 plus 5, 12. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 or 4 plus 1. We have learned the commutative property in the additions of properties. First the commutative property. What is that? 1 plus 4 equal to 4 plus 1. So add 4 plus 1. Take 1 finger. 4 after 5. 5 plus 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6. Next 9 plus 8. Take 8 fingers. 9 after 10. How many are remaining here? 7. 10 plus 7 how much? 17. If you know that 10 plus 7 is 17, it is very easy. Otherwise you will count all the fingers. So 10 plus 9 plus 8. So take 8 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 9 plus 8 how much? 70. If you know 10 plus 7 is 17, you will count 9 after 10. Remaining 7 is there. So 10 plus 7, 70. So you will write 70. Next, 4 plus 6. Take 6 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11,762. Next, 6,316 plus 2,024. 6 plus 4. Take 4 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 is carry forward. 0 is in answer place. 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 how much? 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 0. Which property? Identity property. 3 plus 0, 3. The value doesn't change. 6 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. 8,340. Next, 3 plus 7 or 7 plus 3. Take 3 fingers. Count 7 after. 7 after 8, 9, 10. Next, 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Next 6 plus 9 or 9 plus 6 also same. Take 6 fingers, count 9 after. Take 6 fingers, 9 after 10. How many remaining? 5. 10 plus 5 how much? 15. 10 plus 5, 15. So here 6 plus 9, 15. Next 5 plus 6, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7,590. This one homework for you children. This one do yourself. Next, solve the given subtractions. Minus means subtractions. So 76 minus 31. 31. Do 6 minus 1. First take 6 fingers, cut off 1 finger. How many are remaining? 5. Next 7 minus 3. Take 7 fingers, cut off 3 fingers. 7 minus 3. How many are remaining? 4. So 76 minus 31 is 45. It's 28 minus 15. 28 minus 15. So 8 minus 5. Take 8 fingers, 5 cut off. How many are remaining? 3. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 1. 13. Next 54 minus 42. 4 minus 2. Take 4 fingers, 2 cut off. How many are remaining? 2. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. How many are remaining? 1. 12. Next 98 minus 33. These all are normal subtractions. Very easy. You have already learned in the previous classes, in the third class, second class, from the first class. So 8 minus 3. Take 8 fingers, 3 cut off. How many are remaining? 5. 9 minus 3. Take 9 fingers, 3 cut off. How many are remaining? 6. 65. 87 minus 44. Take 7 fingers, 4 cut off. How many are remaining? 3. 8 minus 4. Take 8 fingers, 4 cut off. How many are remaining? 4. 43. 67 minus 52. 7 minus 2. How much? 5. 6 minus 5. 1. Next 86 minus 72. This one do yourself. And next one 37 minus 30. This is also do children. Next some more subtractions are here children. These are borrowing subtractions. Look 81 minus 35. 81 minus 35. 1 minus 5. Is it possible? No. Get borrow from the tens place. 8 becomes 7. 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 5. So count 5 after up to 11. Count 5 after up to 11. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much? 6. So 11 minus 5 is 6. Next. Here 8 is not there. 7. We take and borrow from here now. So 7 is here. 7 minus 3. Take 7 fingers, 3 cut off. How many are remaining? 4. Otherwise you will count 3 after up to 7. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. How much? 4. 46. 70 minus 55. 0 minus 5. Not possible. Now get borrow. 7 becomes 6. 0 becomes 10. We are borrowing 110 from tens place to ones place. So here 10. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. 5. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. 1. 15. Next 94 minus 28. 4 minus 8. Small number minus big number. We can't do subtraction. So take borrow from the tens place. In the tens place 9 is there. We want 110. So how many tens are remaining there? 8. So 9 becomes 8. 4 becomes 10 plus 4 means 14. 14 minus 8. Count 8 after up to 14. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much? 6. possible. Take borrow from the next place. 4 becomes 3. 7 becomes 10 plus 7, 17. Now do 17 minus 8. Count 8 after up to 17. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How much? 9. 17 minus 8, 9. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 29. Next 62 minus 45. 62 minus 45. 2 minus 5. Not possible. Get borrow. 6 becomes 5. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5. Count 5 after up to 12. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4, 1. 17 is the answer. 92 minus 16. 2 minus 6. Not possible. Take borrow. 9 becomes 8. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 6. Count 6 after up to 12. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 6. Otherwise, in 12 there are 2 6. We are subtracting 1 6. How many are remaining? 6. Next 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1. How much? 7. 76. Next 63 minus 26. 30 minus 12. These two borrowing subtractions, do yourself children. This is homework for you. Next, there are 3-digit subtractions. 3-digit number subtractions. 629 minus 217. There is no change in 3-digit subtractions children. Here there is another place is adding, that is hundreds place. So if you subtract first ones place, next tens place, next another place is there, that is hundreds place. You will subtract that place also. So 9 minus 7. Take 9 fingers, cut off 7. How many are remaining? 2. Otherwise, count 7 after up to 9. 7 after 8, 9. That is also correct. So 9 minus 7, 2. Next 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 412. Next 261 minus 151. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5, 1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 110. 798 minus 167. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 how much? Very good. 1. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6, 3. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1, 6. 7 before number, 6. 631. Next one. 495 minus 324. 5 minus 4, 1. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. 1. 171. Next, 470 minus 280. 470 minus 280. Look here children. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 0, not possible. 7 is the smaller one, 8 is the bigger one. So get bar. 4 becomes 3. So 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 8. Count 8 after up to 17. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How much? 17 minus 8, 9. 3 minus 2, 1. 190. Next 615 minus 301. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0. Nothing is subtracting here. How much? 1. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. 3. 314. Okay, understand how to do subtractions, children? Okay, do all these sums and write the answers in your workbook from page number 20 and 21, children, and do these sums also. What the sums I given for homework, do those sums, children. Okay, children, we will meet in the next class.